Anyone Biden wins, will go through all the Republican voters and Homeland Security will take their children away. How about that? And we'll put them into re-education camps.
Amen.
In these times, which are unique. It's close to him.
What are we gonna do if we don't like it? It doesn't
Go to the White House and throw Molotov cocktails. These kids who are growing up knowing nothing but Trump, for 4 years, you gotta wonder what they're gonna be like. Are we raising a generation of intolerant, horrible people, horrible kids? Enlightenment camps.
Right.
They're nice. They have Sesame Street characters in the classroom, and they watch PBS all day.
I'm gonna go home and watch it.
Dumb. Most people are dumb. It's good to live in a place where people are, educated and know stuff. And can you imagine if you lived in one of these other towns or states where everybody's just stupid? What's great is COVID is spiking in all the red states right now, so that's great.
Why do you think so?
Because either those people won't come out to vote for Trump, because the red states, or a lot of them are sick and dying. PBS has real news, but CNN doesn't have real news anymore. It's just a talking head talking about Trump all day long. I can't stand it. Every once in a while I look at Fox News and it makes me want to throw up after 5 minutes. It's all this Joe Biden shit now, all the Joe Biden scandal, which is all made up. It's all ridiculous. And they are pushing them so hard. It's unbelievable.
So do you guys just ignore it?
Yeah.